Hello guys, it's Chemical here, and today we're going to be making a big slime. So for my last video, I made a tiny normal slime. So we're going to get the ingredients that I used, and then we're not going to use the bowl. We're going to not use the same one, so we're going to leave those two up here. So we're going to grab the soap, making a big slime. Grabbing the soap that I used for my last one. Can you grab that? And take it downstairs. I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna leave these two up there, but we'll grab it. Okay. So, basically, we're probably gonna need 2 or 3 bags. That's how big it's probably gonna be. So, and they're all gonna be named the same. So we're here's the bowl.
What did you make?
Oh, in the last video, I named it Sky Slime, because it rhymes. Okay. Oh, you made the same one I made? Were you following the ingredients?
Maybe.
Yes, you were.
There are all the ingredients on the table, so I just added all of them in at one time.
What, so you followed the ingredients? You heard me? And now you made a good slime. How dare you? Alright, so now we're gonna go upstairs, get the shaving cream and the slime. So we're gonna go upstairs, grab the stuff, and then we're gonna start making the slime. So we're gonna make a big slime, as you guys already know. I just don't know why I'm keep on saying that 1,000 times. So we got the gallon of glue. So we have a lot, but we're not going to use all of it. Sorry, I'm holding this down because I have this toad, and I have this toad, and this is eking out stuff. So now we're going to go downstairs, place the camera, and then we're going to start.
Sydney, how do you spell winter?
W-I-N-T-E-R.
W-I-N-T-E-R.
T-E-R. So we have this stuff. I have my chair from the last video slime.
Winter slime!
And now I have this.
Time to make
soap,
another one.
this, and I got my stuff. So we're gonna turn this light on. And we have our stuff here. So now we're gonna take our Elmer's glue and pour a lot in. So alright, we good. Okay, we're ready.
Sophia, no!
We good.
You're wasting all my glue.
So now
No more glue to that.
here.
You're not making any more slime, Sophia.
The thing, Shelby, it's both of ours.
No, yours was the pink one. Mine was
No.
the gallon.
No.
Yes.
Both of us. So now
You had the pink
we
one.
have yours.
And then
slime.
I have
We're
to
gonna
agree
add-
with you if you're making that giant slime. And I didn't say, okay, you can use all my glue to make that giant
Shelby.
slime.
If you're gonna be rude, get out.
So the thing's gonna be weird and gross.
You're gross.
And I'm not happy with the slime if you get stuck.
So we got this. We're gonna add a lot because it's gonna be big. So now we need a spoon. Shelby, I'm gonna need the shaving cream. So we're gonna grab a big
One half a squirt. Take the
So we have our big spoon. Now we're gonna mix. Mix until it makes nice stuff.
Not too fluffy.
It's not even gonna make it fluffy.
Yes, it will. It's gonna make it fluffy.
It's shaving gel.
Okay, how was that one all fluffy?
Then how would you make yours fluffy? You didn't even grab this, right?
Yes, I did.
So don't even listen to her. She's
Don't
just
even
being
listen
rude.
to her.
Shelby, get out of my video now. I'm gonna take this, move it back over here.
Tommy, okay, then I'm doing the activator with me.
No, I need
need it right now.
it. I need it. Shelby, don't even talk to me for the rest of the day.
I don't really care.
I don't really care about you. So now, we're going to add our shading gel in. Shelby, go somewhere else, please.
No.
Dad, please tell Shelby to go somewhere else while I'm making a video. So,
You can't control my brain.
well, don't even talk in my video then. So now, we're gonna mix it. We use the shower gel.
That's
now-
shaving cream. Not shower gel.
Well, I still like
Shower gel
Now
you use
stop.
on your body.
Now stop. So we've had this stuff, and now we need to make sure there's no white stuff. So now, ooh, it's doing some disco stuff. So now I'm gonna grab the activator. Yeah, nice try. So I'm gonna actually need to use a lot. So I told you in the last video what you needed. What you need to make that slime.
Sophia, if you run out of activator, you're going to go get more.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will.
So I got our stuff.
Because you're the one that's using it.
Be the one that used it first.
No.
So-
you're the one that used it first because you're the first one that made the video. Using
So-
activator.
Shelby, get out of my video now.
I'm not even in it.
Yeah, you are.
How?
Talking in my video.
Okay, you can talk in my videos and you get in my videos.
So we're gonna do this. Now, won't stop. And so we have this.
Go off.
I'm gonna make sure none of it goes stuck. Because we don't want no sticky, blocky slime. We want nice slime. So, see, it looks chunky. So we're gonna need a little pokey. No, that's how you're not good. It sticks to your finger like this. So that means you're gonna need more activators. So we do not want it sticky. So we're gonna need it nice, not sticky at all.
Sophia,
Not
we have to turn on
at-
that Victoria needs more. Because you mostly used all of it, and now there's only a little left.
She would still use the left.
No, she'll get mad and complain it on me.
She can use the rest.
Okay, then you're complaining on you.
So now that we have it, none of it's sticky. So now as we should stick our finger in, it's not sticking once, ever. So
How
now
are we going to fit it in one little bag?
I'm using a big bag.
It's not even close to big ones, Sophia.
Just stop being rude. So now we've got this. We're gonna need to grab a napkin. My hands are like this, but we're gonna work this out. So
That was you.
now we're gonna do this. Next video we're going to go somewhere quiet where her voice isn't in. So
Well, then don't ask me to get anything for you.
So we have our stuff. Trying to make it. So now, stuff, put it on the thing, and now we start cleaning. Start sounding like this. This is how you know it's good, like the other slime. So we're gonna roll. Nice sleeves.
Daddy, be more. We need to buy Victoria more shaving cream. It means if you accidentally use it all.
Did you ask?
No, Sophia just went into the room.
Well, that's on YouTube.
And I told Sophia because she was the first one that used it.
Do this
So
stuff.
what do you think Mom's gonna say now?
Mom's gonna say.
Mom's gonna be pissed. She didn't ask.
Well, Sophia was the first one that got it out.
Now,
And I thought she asked.
So yet again, you guys are going and taking people's stuff.
so
It was
Right.
Sophia that went and went to go
Now?
take Victoria's stuff.
Yes.
we're gonna do this.
Do you need help?
So it sounds like this. You made a beautiful, perfect, wonderful slime. Shelby's.
Mine.
So now we're gonna take this. You just made your wonderful, perfect, wonderful slime. So now that we have our blue slime over here, this one's gonna be named Sky Slime.
You
No, we've
named
already-
the other one Sky Slime.
Let me name that one. So now,
Snowfall.
yeah, Snowfall. So we have our bag right here, hidden, but it needs to get used to our hands.
Daddy, I can't.
So we're gonna stretch this,
I
put
call
it
this
down
one
here,
pizza crust.
like this, and then. Daddy, are you surprised that I'm getting better?
I can't close it.
I have my own ingredients.
And I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Should I call it Christmas snow? Christmas snow.
So it's gonna be Snowfall Slime.
I'm gonna call it. What else for Christmas? C-H. Christmas. C-H.
How you spell
I.
I know how to spell
it?
it.
Where'd the
R-I.
So now we're gonna put it in the thing. Now that it's used to our fingers and hands that our fingers are connected to. So now we're gonna, and please do not prove me wrong, I'm not good. So now we're gonna put the humongous, ginormous slime in here. So this is gonna be a snowfall slime.
No.
Snowfall slime.
Oh, Christmas.
So now we have our snowfall slime. Even we can put some out of the bag whenever it's in the bag.
So I call this winter slime and Christmas slime.
So
Winter,
Winter?
Christmas. Christmas, winter.
I call this some pizza or something. Put the book right there.
That's Sophia's.
Okay, well don't be standing on it.
Okay, now I'm gonna go put this into my other slime. Dang, Sophia's literally wasting all my glue. And then can you buy me more and Sophia her own? Because she's gonna end up begging for more of my slime. And I only have a little more from her making a giant slime.
ah,
Well, Sophia's gonna buy me slime for Christmas. She's gonna buy me glue for Christmas.
Are you almost done with this
Sophia, you
video?
hear that? You're buying me a thing of glue for Christmas.
no, not bad. Winter, fall, fall slime. There was two messed up. That's why it looks so crazy. Winter, fall, slime. So this is my winter, fall, slime. Alright, so this video is gonna end. Don't forget to stay cheesy and awesome. Bye!